experience disappears, even the simplest situations can turn into unforgettable disasters. Tied and Rig brings you The Truck Fails. It proves sometimes the biggest problems start with the smallest decisions. Let's go. Everyone had stopped, except the one thing that mattered most. This is the kind of incident that makes underground cables look like a great idea. The line was stopped, but the chaos was just getting started.
Sé dónde está el restaurante. Pero sé dónde está el restaurante.
The bridge had a breaking point, and someone found it. The tire gave up, and the whole situation followed.
There's a train coming. There is a train coming. There's a train coming. Oh, he's gonna hit that son of a... He's gonna hit him. Oh my...
The train wasn't late, but someone's decision definitely was. A terrifying crash in Binghamton, New York shows why following distance matters, especially with heavy trucks. A steep road isn't the problem, it just reveals who is ready for it. Some drivers leave memories, others leave repair bills. Bad weather doesn't create bad decisions. It just makes them impossible to hide. Somewhere, a tire technician just got unexpected good news. Sometimes the hardest thing to share isn't the road, it's the right of way. If you ever wondered how an entire neighborhood loses power instantly, now you know. It all starts with a great plan, until the plan starts slipping away. The crossing barrier was down for a reason, but arrogance always knows better. And just like that, everyone behind got a front row seat to the delay. When your GPS says, "Arrive at destination," a little too literally.
Authorization to enter Arizona. He just wants to tread on the front right tire. He's on the rim now. He's swerving rapidly. He's winning off the road right. Going start at 52. He's way off the road. 1050.
This suspect wasn't just running from the law, he was also challenging the laws of physics.
يلا
Nobody likes a swimming lesson they didn't sign up for.
Она поедет. Капец. Все, капец. Ой. Что сейчас будет? Да, ужас. Ой, мамочки.
Having faith in yourself is great, but remember, you're not invincible.
Господи.
The truck brought the cars. The snow brought the chaos. That was a lot of trust placed on a little bit of wood. When the road says stop, but the truck hears surprise. Not every successful pass deserves a celebration. The truck just unlocked a route nobody recommended. Someone had too many beans for lunch. The truck, I mean. The irony is, avoiding a tiny delay often creates a much bigger one. One could say this oil spill forced drivers to use some crude techniques. And this is why your package is arriving later than expected. You can't park there, mate. When the shortcut looks like it was designed by a dare, everything was fine until it very much wasn't. What do you think went wrong here? When the solution becomes the next problem.
Evet. Kışla mücadele arabası ortalığın içinden geçti. Biçti, ortalığı biçti.
Who knew a snowy road could come with free bowling practice?
Ben dedim vallahi ya, bak dedim ki o yukarıdan insin biçer dedim. Harbiden de biçti vallahi.
Abi taş maş koy, ben sana dedim arabadan hepsi. Abi sen şu araba.
Is this where Optimus Prime's villain arc begins? Wet pavement always finds a way to humble drivers. A few more seconds, and this would have been a different story.
Ah, my man.
Out of all the roads available, this one somehow made the list. The job was taking out the trash, not creating more of it. The route was planned. The ending definitely wasn't.
Zaten Allah Allah Allah Allah Allah Allah. Sen sağa
Ben sağa yanaşayım da.
girdi.
Yapma ya. İnelim bakalım mı?
Alanda bir şey yok Allah'tan ya.
Dur da biraz şey
Ama iyi.
Even tanks have their banana peel moments. You could say it was tired of carrying that much weight. Trucks have blind spots, but that doesn't mean drivers can ignore what's around them.
You've been backing up the whole hill. You need to get out of a truck half.
Well, at least now we know the trailer hitches are built tough. You have to wonder where FedEx finds this kind of talent.
Мне интересно, удалось ли вам пересечься на площадке и сыграть в кадре с нашими мэтрами?
Phones are great tools, but terrible passengers when they steal your attention.
Не пустили.
When the trailer starts making decisions without asking.
Чего-нибудь с миром сделать, или он должен воевать до последнего, как сейчас, кстати, и происходит. С Боингом все понятно. Во всем виновата Россия. Вопрос только...
That's one way to lighten the load, for better gas mileage.
Чтобы свалить на Украину или просто...
Getting a strike in highway bowling. a perfect score for destruction. That's it for today's journey. Thanks for watching, drive safe out there, and remember that every trip starts with staying alert behind the wheel. See ya.
Во всем виновата Россия.